In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to start up the virtual machine base template that we copied previously and convert its address from being a dynamic address to a static address. Okay, so here we can see that we've finished the copy. So we always just do a quick little check to make sure we know which virtual machines are running. Okay, so and then let's do so we can see I created this folder called UCM1, and as you can see this copy here copied that over from the base one. So let's go into the UCM1 and modify the VM dot oh, it copied the base into there. So let's move everything in base start here and remove -rf base, and then we will cat the vm.cfg, and notice here that the direction of where the file is located is wrong, so we need to update that. So let's edit that, vm.cfg, and we'll change this to, we called it UCM1, so that should be fine now. And we can kick this off with the XAM, let's see where my mouse is, the XAM create. The other thing that we might want to do is change the name, sorry, vm.cfg, and let's change the name to UCM1 too. That's the sort of convention that I like to use, name it the same as the folder that it's in. So now we can kick it off. XAM create vm.cfg says it's using the config file, and it says it started that domain. Okay, so now we need some handy reminders about how to change these things from static to dynamic. So what we do is we just go to wiki.oracle.com, and I put some notes up here, and once we get there, I'm just going to do a search for dhcp. So dhcp, and I just did this a minute ago, so I know it's the second hit on the list. And so it's this one, static IP address and Oracle Enterprise Linux. And so it says to convert a DHCP Oracle Enterprise Linux to static IP address, edit this file. So the first thing we have to do is we have to VNC into that machine because we don't know what the IP address is at the moment. So we kick up our chicken of the VNC, and let's quickly go back to here and do the XAM list, and we see there's the server plus 2 other virtual machines running, and we know that this is the most recent one. So we're going to use display not 0 but 1, which is the second display. So let's connect into that, and we can see here it's running, and the passwords and all that stuff should be known to you. And then we can simply right click, say open terminal, and then we go back to our instructions here, and we see this is actually, I don't know if we can cut and paste into this, so let's not worry too much about it, but so we'll just do vi etc sysconfig network scripts if config eth0. So we can see that this is all set up for dynamic with the DHCP. So let's change this. So let's change this to static. Append static. It looks like we can comment out the hardware address. Insert pound. There we go. On boot. Yes, that's fine. Now let's put the rest of the stuff in. Type equals. And we set the IP address. Let's just get all. Okay, so in this recording, basically I'm continuing on with the recording where I showed how to convert dynamic address into a static address. So, whoops. So let's just cat out this file so you can see the changes that I made to it. And those are pretty much exactly the same changes recommended on this wiki page. And then let's see, let's go to a terminal and see if we can actually SSH into this root at, and let's call it 192.168.8.161. See if that finds it. Oh, I think we're going to be lucky. Yay! Key on the other side. Oh, here we go. Finally, I was just filling time there. Okay, we're all logged in. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Can do anything now, but we'll just leave it at that. Oh, see, we've got our uppercase UCM1 host name here, and you can see that reflecting here. It's not really the best convention. I don't know why that happened. So let's just fix it up. Oops. Oh, we can do it from over here as well. In fact, it's even better. So cd to etc sysconfig and network scripts and vif config jjj. Let's change this a little bit. xx append ucm1 escape xx append yes. Okay, that's I think that's a little bit better. Oh no, there's one other thing I want to do here. This doesn't need to be all uppercase because that's not how it is on the wiki page. So we'll do that as well. Okay. I think I just left my caps key on. And we can restart the network too. Service, network, restart. This will make this connection get lost, but no problem because we'll just SSH back into it. And we don't need the chicken of the VNC anymore. Oh, I wonder if it did. Oh, we didn't even lose the connection. It's still got the UCM1 as uppercase, but no problem. I think once we restart the machine, which we can easily do, we just do shutdown -R for restart and say now, the whole thing will go down and it'll come back up in about a minute or so. But really, that's the basics of switching from a dynamic IP address to a static IP address. I'll stop this tutorial here because that's a logical place to stop. But in the next tutorial, I'll show you how to add another disk to a running virtual machine. So that's the very next one.